time for another product review, and today we're going to take a look at a digital course that you can download. It's called Realistic Pencil Portraits Mastery, and it's by an artist named Christopher Sia. And what you'll get with this course is basically you'll get 5 ebooks in PDF format, totaling 208 pages with 605 illustrations. You'll also get 5 lesson process maps, 100 high-resolution photos that you can use to draw along with, and 12 weeks of drawing exercises. There's no videos in this course. It is all step-by-step process that you'll go through. Basically, you get 5 ebooks. The first ebook is on drawing the eye. Here's a look at the finished product that you can expect from this. This ebook will contain 55 pages and a total of 127 meticulous illustrations. Next, the second ebook you'll get is Drawing the Nose. Here's a look at the finished product for that. And that ebook contains 49 pages and 163 step-by-step illustrations. The third ebook is on Drawing the Mouth. Here's a look at the finished product from that ebook. This ebook contains 24 pages and a total of 61 illustrations, and these are meticulous step-by-step illustrations. The fourth ebook is on Drawing the Ear. Here's a look at the finished product from that. And this ebook contains 35 pages and 126 illustrations. And then the last ebook that you'll receive is on Drawing the Hair, which I know is difficult for a lot of people. Here's a look at the final product through that ebook, and that ebook contains 45 pages and 128 illustrations. You also get these 5 lesson process maps. Remember, this is digital in format, so you'd have to print those out. If you have a tablet or something, that would be really handy to put on so you can kind of follow along with your drawings. You can carry it around. You also get 100 high-resolution photos with this, but please keep in mind that these photos are of celebrities. So if you're going to be doing people that you know, you're going to have to take your photos yourself, obviously. You'll also get 12 weeks of drawing exercises, which might be a good place to start if you decide to go with this product. The best thing about this product, though, is the guarantee. There is a 60-day money-back guarantee. You don't have to return anything at all. That's 2 months. You can try the product out. If you don't like it, just let Christopher know. And then the total price for this product is $47, which is not bad. So here's my final evaluation. First of all, let's look at the pros. You get a lot of information for the price. As I mentioned, the illustrations are meticulous. There is no wondering how he went from one step to the next step. It's very clear. The lessons are extensive. They allow you to work at your own pace. And I can pretty much guarantee you that you will get better at drawing in general. And of course, you can't beat a 60-day money-back guarantee. That's 2 months to try it out. If you don't like it, Christopher will refund your money. Plus, you get instant access to download all the material. A lot of products that you purchase off the internet, you have to wait for it to arrive in the mail. It's not the case with this program. There are some drawbacks. First of all, it does not discuss putting the features together. It only addresses drawing the eyes, the nose, the mouth, the ear, and the hair. It doesn't talk about putting it all together in the end. Secondly, it focuses on adding shading instead of pure observational drawing, which might be a big drawback for some of you. The third thing is you must be using photographs for this method to work. For example, if you're looking for a program that's going to help you drawing from life, this is not going to really help you with that. You've got to have a photograph. It's really focused on using a photograph and finding information in a photograph and putting it on your paper. The fourth thing is with the photos that are included, they're only photos of celebrities. I don't know if that's going to be a real big deal. You can't expect photos of the people that you're wanting to draw to be included. And the last thing is it only focuses on graphite or using a pencil. So this concludes my evaluation of Christopher Sia's Realistic Pencil Portraits Mastery program. If you want more information on the program, or if you'd like to purchase the product, you can follow the link below.